Maddox disappointed me once before. Remember Bharam Sundari? That trailer turned me so off that I didn't even step inside the theater to watch the film. And that was such a correct decision. But with Maddox's horror comedy universe, I still carry hope. And today, Aditya Sarpoda drops Thama's trailer. Did it live up? Absolutely. Maddox does what few can. They create a world we don't know it exists, yet somehow we believe in it. Supernatural myths, old prophecies fit so well into our reality that we walk in willingly, like we did with Stree and Bhedia. I never imagined that even though we have a spy universe with Shah Rukh Khan in it, Salman Khan, Hrithik Roshan, I would still prefer this Maddox horror comedy universe over it. This time, the stakes are higher because two actors, Ayushmann Khurrana and Nawazuddin Siddiqui, their comeback depends on it. And then there is Paresh Rawal. When he's on screen, acting itself takes the front seat. He's one of the best thing Bollywood has ever produced. But I have some issues with Rashmika Mandanna. Tell me in the comments if you feel the same. But I just can't shake this feeling that her off Hindi accent breaks the spell. The dialogues don't land, and for me, it pulls the vibe apart. I really hope she works on her dialect because this is not working in her favor, or even if it's working on her favor, as she's getting many films, this is not working in the favor of the audiences. Coming back to the film, the world of Thama is mystical. Ancient forests, dark prophecies, a love cursed by blood. What I see is that vampires walk on the earth, ancient and modern. One chooses chaos, building an army of his kind like Nawazuddin Siddiqui, feasting on human blood, and then Ayushmann Khurrana, a simple man, unexpectedly transformed into the very monster he fears while falling for Rashmika's character. But as we all know, love is fragile, collides with danger, and what I feel, to protect her and maybe even humanity, Ayushmann's character will stand up against Nawazuddin Siddiqui's character. It would be vampire versus vampire, love versus bloodlust. I think the story spans across two eras, past and present, unrequited love binding them both, always soaked in blood. Shairi. And maybe this is only the beginning. Future chapters could bring vampires versus werewolves in Maddox's ever-growing horror verse. Comedy horror verse. So did Thama's trailer meet my hopes? Yes, and yes. Finally.